Hello, friend. How are you? Hope you good. So today I'm talking about how to host our web application on AWS Console on your AWS EC2 Instance servers. Uh, Today I'm hosting my one of the application on IaaS server on my EC2 machines. So let's start. Go to your AWS Console. Go to your instance. If you have not a idea how to create an instance in AWS, please check out my previous video and click here. This one is my Windows server. This one is the public IP, and we will check this public IP. It's accessible out of this instance or not with my applications. Okay, so first connect this application, RDP client, download RDP file, get your password because I have already copied it, but you can also doing again, decrypt your password. This is the key pairs. It's you can get where at a time of create your EC2 instance. So if you're not idea, you also check out my video. I've already created a video. Decrypt your password. Copy this one on this RDP file. Log in it. Maybe it's a space here. Let's log in. Now I'm in my our EC2 machine, EC2 instance. It's a Windows server. So here's go to your server manager. Open the server manager. Wait few seconds. It's a loading. After that, go to your add role and features options. Yes, click on next, 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 and here select the as web server. It's not selected by defaultly. You need to be selected as web server as, and click again, and it's already installed here. So you click again, and it will be installed. Okay, and after that, open your as manager. Multiple way you can also go here as managers, or you can also open it inet mgr. It's a one command here. It's application pool sites, default site. Explore this site and create here one file. It's already created one, so I'm edited it or created a new one. Create a new text. Save as. Firstly, I have deleted this one. Index.html. hello world. I'm hitting here. The file name is wrong, extension HTML. It's created index.html. So it's a small file or application. It's this one is my IS server, IS web server. Here my application is the host, and now I will check my application is working or not in my local server. Here, browse here. It's opening in Internet Explorer. Hello world. In local server, it's working. Now time to check on internet with my public IP. It's working or not. Okay. So go to your instance and copy the public IP. This one is the public IP. Okay. Paste it and good. Great. It's some written codes. Hello world. It's showing here. So my application is working properly. My server setup is also good. So my application is showing. It's a small for the testing purpose. You can also host your application large data with the large data also, not ISO. Thank you. Thanks for the watching. Application is working fine. This video is the helpful for help for you. So please subscribe my channels and